In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist Pro in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to boost your productivity and take your task management to the next level, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the process of getting started with Todoist Pro, so you can start taking advantage of all its advanced features. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to the Todoist login page. It's easy to find, just type Todoist into your favorite search engine or enter the URL directly into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the Todoist homepage, look for the login or sign in option. Clicking on it will take you to the next step where you'll enter your email address. This should be the email you use to sign up for Todoist. If you haven't signed up yet, not to worry, you can quickly register using the sign up option right there on the login page. After you've entered your email, it's time to type in your password in the designated field. Make sure you're entering it correctly. Passwords are case sensitive. Once you've got your credentials in, hit the login button to access your Todoist dashboard. Upon successfully logging in, your next move is to navigate to the Today section. This is where you'll see tasks planned for the current day. It's a great starting point for organizing your day-to-day activities. Now let's personalize your Todoist experience by clicking on your profile. You can find this towards the top corner of the screen. Your profile is where you can adjust settings, update your personal info, and more. It's like the command center for your Todoist account. Within the profile options, look for the Settings button. Clicking this will bring you into the heart of customization for your Todoist experience. Settings allow you to modify how Todoist works for you, from notification preferences to theme colors. Once in settings, be sure to click on the Account tab. This area allows you to manage basic account details such as your email, password, and subscription status. It's also where you can access options for upgrading to Todoist Pro. Speaking of upgrading, let's discuss moving to Todoist Pro. Look for the Manage Plan option within the Account tab. Clicking this will bring you to all available subscription options, including Todoist Pro. Here you can compare the benefits of different plans side by side. The final step in unleashing your productivity potential is to select Upgrade to Pro. Clicking this will guide you through the payment process. Todoist Pro offers a wealth of features such as reminders, comments, and labels. These tools are designed to help you manage your tasks more efficiently and tailor your workflow to your personal or professional needs. A few parting tips as you embark on your Todoist Pro journey. Take some time to explore all the features your new subscription offers. The labels and filters, for example, are incredible for organizing tasks by priority, project, or any other criteria that make sense for your workflow. Moreover, remember that productivity is not just about having the right tools, it's also about how you use them. Set aside a little time each week to review your tasks and projects, ensuring that your Todoist setup continues to meet your evolving needs and goals. And there you have it, your quick guide to getting started with Todoist Pro. With your new subscription, you're well on your way to achieving greater productivity and mastering the art of task management. So dive in, explore, and most importantly, start getting things done more effectively than ever before. Happy tasking!